Yo guys, we are still killing the market back to back, even with the trade war that is going on currently, that is making the market to be unstable. And as you all know that USD is a major pair and it controls the entire market. So one of the tips and one of the things that I feel that you can use when you are trading this season is that you should maintain proper risk management, and you should always wait for your confirmation checklist. Always make sure that you follow your rules carefully to avoid losses. But here in CentraFX, we are actually making the market consistently using our proven strategy. So let me show you a trade I took on GBP JPY on Friday, and this trade is currently active on Monday. Let's see where price is gonna take it to, but let me show you my chart so you can see what I mean. Okay, so as you can see here, this is GBP JPY, and I took this trade when price got to my POI and price did a shift in structure, and I actually waited patiently for confirmation before I get involved. So you can see that price came and price tapped me into the trade, and currently we are actually on 1 to 6 risks to reward. And then on Monday, let's see what price is gonna do from here. And this is actually my target. I'm already on break even on this trade, and I've already taken almost half of my profits. So this is how we trade here. We don't over trade. We follow our rules carefully to make sure that we avoid losses. So if you're new in trading and you don't know how to trade, and you want to know how the algorithm works, well, you can send me a DM and I'll be showing you my blueprint on how to get started and how to become a pro in the trading business. And if you want to join my free Telegram community where I post signal once in a while, you can use the link on this video to join. And if you want to be on my VIP channel where that's my inner cycle, I pay more attention to those in my VIP, and I post signals every single trade I take. I post it there, and then we communicate. You can even get to learn more when you're in the VIP, and that is a monthly subscription. For that one, it was going to be $10, and then if you want to do a yearly plan, that will be $100. So you can use the link to message me directly on WhatsApp if you need more information on this. And let's make this market back to back consistently. And if you haven't followed me yet, I want you to follow me so you can get daily updates on the market. Bye for now.